Pakistan has reiterated its stand that negotiations with India are not possible till reversal of 5th August 2019 unilateral actions by the Modi-led fascist Indian regime. According to a report released by Kashmir Media Service today, Pakistan has been strongly supporting the Kashmiris' just cause and has remained the strongest voice in the world for the Kashmiris' right to self-determination. It said Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari addressing a news conference after addressing the meeting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization's Council of Foreign Ministers in Goa. India has ruled out any change in Pakistan's position on the Jammu and Kashmir dispute. In addition to that, China has said that the Kashmir dispute between India and Pakistan should be resolved as per the United Nations resolutions while avoiding any unilateral actions. Chinese Foreign Minister Qin Gang arrived in Pakistan for a 2-day visit, which is his first trip to the country. He co-chaired a meeting with the Pakistani counterpart Bilawal Bhutto Zardari. The two sides issued a joint statement at the conclusion of the 4th round of the Pakistan-China strategic dialogue in Islamabad. The Foreign Office spokesperson on Sunday said that any insinuation associating Foreign Minister's remarks over G20 meeting in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir with the threat of violence was not only mischievous but also highly irresponsible. The spokesperson Mumtaz Zahra Baloch, in response to media queries regarding a video clip insinuating the Foreign Minister of Pakistan Bilawal Bhutto Zardari threatened India over conduct of a G20 meeting in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, said, "It is an attempt to shift focus from the Foreign Minister's key message of conflict resolution through dialogue and in accordance with the international law and UN Security Council resolutions." Meanwhile, in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that India is mercilessly killing innocent Kashmiri youth to suppress their righteous political demand of right to self-determination. The APHC spokesperson, in a statement issued in Srinagar paying tributes to the martyrs by Indian troops during a cordon search operation in North Kashmir, said that the Kashmiri people will never allow the sacrifices of their martyrs to go to waste. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Special Investigation Unit of the Indian Police conducted a raid in Kulgam district. The SIU personnel raided the house of a Hurriyat activist Abdul Ghani Butt and also harassed the inmates, including women and children, during the raid.